Painting is a very, very labor and resource intensive process. You need a lot of infrastructure to do it, and you need a lot of people to do it, and the people have to be pretty skilled. So we want to be able to free people to do higher level tasks. So if it means we can either free somebody with high technical skill to do something more important, or bring in somebody with less technical skill to do a certain job, those are both winning situations.
We've integrated Signac into a collaborative robot. What that means is that there are 4 sensors at each joint. So if I were to go into freehand mode, then I could press this button and then move the robot, and it would correlate to the forces it feels. So this allows our system to be extremely flexible in that the operator could simply move the robot into position, press go, and it would print.